पापा का हमेशा से एक ड्रीम रहा है. ही ऑलवेज बिलीव्स इन सपोर्टिंग न्यू टैलेंट, न्यू पीपल, न्यू सिनेमा, न्यू आइडियाज़. ही ऑलवेज वांटेड टू प्रोड्यूस फॉर रीजनल. उन्हें हमेशा से लगता है कि ईच रीजन हैज़ अ डिफरेंट वे ऑफ टेलिंग अ स्टोरी एंड ही वांट्स टू प्रमोट new age stuff coming from there. And Punjabi films are making such beautiful stories, you know, the content is so strong. Also इसमें जो हमने एक्टर लिया है अमरिंदर गिल जी इज़ अ ह्यूज सुपरस्टार. वो बहुत पॉपुलर हैं और लोगों को बहुत पसंद आते हैं. यू नो हिज फैन फॉलोइंग इज़ ब्रिलियंट. So that was the first reason why we chose Sarwan to produce Sarwan. Also story में इतना ज़्यादा पावर था. It's about an NRI boy and how he comes back to his roots, and it's a coming of age story. So I think that is something that we really wanted the people of Punjab to see, because a lot of people in Punjab are settling abroad and they're coming back to their roots. So that is something that's a great aspect for them to see, and you know, they can connect with that story, like I would say. And हम लोग ने टोरंटो में इसीलिए किया because we premiered Sarabjit in France at so what happened is that we just felt like internationally we want to give our films that platform, and nothing better than choosing North America, because North America is a huge market for Punjabi cinema. People really appreciate and really like Punjabi films over there. The language does very, very well over there. And we got a very good platform at Toronto because it was organized by the Toronto Film Festival people. Priyanka had 2 days free. She was shooting for Quantico, so she was available for those 2 days. So we thought there's nothing better than to start and flag off our promotions by going to Toronto, and that's the reason we all flew down. And we launched our trailer there with her, with the entire star cast, with all the producers, and it got a huge response. Even जितना प्यार हमें टोरंटो से मिला है, उनके लोगों से मिला है, all over Canada. बहुत सारे dignitaries आए थे, mayors आए थे of Canada. So it was a proud moment, and I also think it was it's a great head start for any film to start off their promotions like that. जैसे हर एक कहानी मतलब ये जो है, ये अभी जो कहानी जैसे लिखी हुई है पंजाब सेंट्रिक लिखी हुई है, पंजाबी फैमिली के ऊपर लिखी हुई है. उसकी जो कलोकियल ह्यूमर है, जो भी चीज़ें अराउंड इट है, इज़ वेरी पंजाबी. यू नो जैसे पंजाब में बड़ी फैमिलियों में रहते हैं, गुरुद्वारे जाते हैं, तो अगर हम वी वुड लव टू मेक इट, इसीलिए वी थॉट दैट वी, बिकॉज पंजाब में बेस्ड है, कनाडा में बेस्ड है, तो इट वर्क्स फॉर अ पंजाबी फिल्म. इफ़ वी हैव टू मेक इट इन हिंदी, वील हैव टू चेंज a little bit around it. You'll have to you know, mold the film as per Maharashtra or as per Pan India. So I think yes, we would love to make it in different languages. Said regional cinema को इतना अच्छा platform मिल रहा है आजकल, इतना appreciation मिल रहा है, and the quality of films that they are making is amazing. और हम चाहते हैं कि उन्हें वो limelight मिले, उन्हें वो importance मिले, और हम उन्हें एक हिसाब से एक push दे सके ताकि वो अभी they can grow up to be bigger makers. And that is the whole idea, and that is the reason why we want to support regional cinema. पंजाबियों का एक ये है, इट्स हमारा भी पहला एक्सपीरियंस था, वेदर जो राइटर है अमरदीप या करण जो डायरेक्टर हैं, अमरिंदर जी हैं, जो सब बहुत दिल से काम करते हैं. यू नो जो भी लिखते हैं, जो भी डायलॉग्स हैं, जहाँ वो जैसे शूटिंग करते हैं, बहुत दिल से करते हैं. सो आई फील कहीं ना कहीं आप जब इतना यू आर वर्किंग विथ योर इंटायर हार्ट आउट देयर, सो आई फील कि वो खुशबू, वो जगह की, वो लोगों की, वो वार्मथ, वो ऑलवेज स्क्रीन पे दिखती है. एंड आई थिंक दैट्स वाई आपको वो रूरल रस्टी एंड यू नो द रियल फील ऑफ पंजाब आ रहा है वो ट्रेलर देख के. सो आई थिंक दैट्स द रीज़न. मोस्ट ऑफ द पंजाबी फिल्म्स आर रिलीज्ड इन कैनेडा, आर रिलीज्ड in UK only in Birmingham, smaller places in Birmingham. They are now starting to release in Australia. तो उनका भी जो गेज है वो बढ़ते जा रहा है. बट येस, आज तक कोई भी पंजाबी फिल्म ने अपनी ट्रेलर लॉन्च अब्रॉड में नहीं की है. सो उनके लिए ऑब्वियसली एक बहुत प्राउड मोमेंट था. ऑल्सो एक बॉलीवुड से रिश्ता जुड़ रहा था उन सबका, तो उनके भी एक्सपेक्टेशंस थे कि हमें वो उस किस्म का इम्पोर्टेंस मिले, एंड यू नो पीपल डू रिलेट टू इट. So I think they did get a lot of limelight and they were very, very happy about it. And I think let's see, fingers crossed now how it does. For Sarvan, abhi हम लोग बहुत सारे city tours कर रहे हैं. We want to do some shows which we do for Bollywood films. So we want to bring down people from Punjab and also showcase it to the Bollywood world. So you will see them doing some mainstream promotions also, which I don't want to disclose right now. And we are doing a lot of interviews and everything in London. So we are trying to do very similar to how we would do for a Bollywood film. We want to give them that platform. And that is something that we believe in. And I'm sure, you know, जितना उनका अभी almost in comparison all the Punjabi films are doing, किसी का 25 करोड़ का business हो रहा है, किसी का 40 हो रहा है, किसी का 50 हो रहा है. So it's a very proud moment to know that, you know, regional cinema is clocking so many numbers and coming at par with Bollywood. And I think it's about time that we must give them their importance and due. 100%. और अभी नहीं, हमेशा से उन्हें content की ज़रूरत थी. It was just that कि एक decade ago उनके लिए content was entertainment. You know, पहले ज़माने में जैसे हम स्क्रिप्ट्स करते थे तो ऐसे नहीं है कि कॉमेडी फिल्म हम बस चालू कर दे बनाना. We used to work on the content of that film as well. But of course, content in pretext has really changed. The way your audience is changing. They want variety. There's a niche, different niche that is created where people want to see different kind of cinema. And I think that is amazing for a filmmaker because हम अभी किसी को अगर comedy देनी है, we can subject that. We can show them comedy. If there's someone who wants to see a serious subject, we can offer that. So there's a plethora of films that we can offer, जो पहले नहीं होता था, because ये acceptance नहीं था. And I think stories की कोई भाषा नहीं होती. Whether it's Marathi, whether it's Tamil, whether it's you know, Punjabi, we're doing films in all 3 regional languages. And I think अगर content इतना strong है, it will cross all boundaries. And that's what we're saying. जैसे कि आपने पूछा कि will you make this in a Hindi? So I said hopefully, you know, with subtitles, with dubbing, we're seeing so many Tamil films that are making their way to Bollywood. So similarly, we're hoping to you know, reduce all the boundaries within India. उन्होंने कहा कि ये दिल को छू रहा है. It's a very simple story. It's something very simple, and I just feel like filmmakers often, you know, when a story is told with all your heart और simplicity से बताए जाते हैं, कहीं ना कहीं सबके दिल को छू जाती है. Whether वो सैराट थी या पिंक थी, it was just an honest way of making it. It was very real cinema. So I just feel if you're dedicated in making something with you know, you just put your everything in it, and अगर आप सच्चे दिल से बनाए तो वो ज़रूर दिखता है. And I feel ये फिल्म में वो बात है. You know, it has that simplicity जो आप चाहे आप पंजाबी जानते हैं कि नहीं, चाहे आप you know, whatever language it is, आप वो देखेंगे तो आपको वो simpleness में एक बहुत ही feel good factor मिलता है, which my father was very proud of. I think मधु आंटी, प्रियंका चोपड़ा, सिद्धार्थ, उन लोग सब इतने talented हैं. It's like a powerhouse of talent. तीनों जन मिलके बहुत ही सिंपल लोग हैं, दिल से काम करने वाले हैं. मधु आंटी इतने घंटे काम करती है, मतलब वो youngest of us को shame, you know, will be like put to shame. She's there everywhere, you know, you don't expect them to know so much, but it's so amazing to know that they understand the business acumen, they understand what production is. And I think that's very, very nice and refreshing to know. And joining hands with them has been such a really nice experience, I would say. You know, it's whether it's work-wise, whether the relationship of work, they're wonderful people to work with. And I think Priyanka is so talented. I mean, वो पूरे दिन वहाँ काम करती थी और जब वहाँ रात होती है तो हमारा दिन होता था, तो वो तब भी काम करती थी. तो I just feel like आप ऐसे ही नहीं इतने बड़े बन जाते हैं, आप में वो बात होती है. And I think she has that in her. I would love to work with them, and I think जिस तरीके से दोनों कंपनियों ने you know, whether it's Pooja Films or Purple Pebble, we've had a great experience. So I think you will see, we will want to make some films together, and I think we'll announce some. अभी तो सरवन आ रही है 13th January को. उसके बाद we are doing a Tamil film, which is with Nayanthara. She's also a very big lady superstar of Tamil. And the director is Chakri. His last film was with Kamal Hassan, and Wednesday जो remake हुई थी वो उनकी picture थी, उन्होंने direct की थी. and also Billa 2, which is Dawn 2, उन्होंने direct की है South में. So he's a very popular director and he's very very talented. And I'm very excited to be working on a project like that because it's like a horror thrilling space. And you know, I just feel ki in South also they're experimenting with a lot of new techniques, a lot of new cinema. So for us, it's a learning experience. Like the kind of cameras he's using, the kind of lighting he does, he's technically brilliant. So for me, I'm really excited because it's more like a workshop, and that is a film that I think we're really looking forward to. We also have another film in Hindi which we're doing with Taapsee, and जिसका announcement shooting चालू है, and we'll make an announcement very soon. I would love to work with Ranveer Singh. I think he's such a good actor. He's so talented. He's just like, you know, like all the energy put together in this box. And I think it's so nice and refreshing to see someone who's just himself. He's like full of zest, and I'd love to work with him. I think he portrays characters beautifully. And yeah, I'd love to work with him. I think he's